They were working on a 96 Polaris Sportsman 400 two-stroke. Last summer, wife was riding it and going on the road and just lost all compression and died. We got the head off now, and you can see right here, looks like ring material is stuck to the piston wall. So that explains why we lost all our compression, because the head's good and the head is clean. If you've ever wondered about using Lucas two-stroke oil, that's what you get with Lucas two-stroke oil. Just clean, no thick deposit, no nothing. The top of that cylinder is nice and clean. Yeah, so just bore out and new piston and ring. So we got the piston out, blocks out. I don't know whether you can see this, but yeah, she got hot. Whether my water pump died or she quit giving some oil. Maybe a combination of the both. There seems like some heat damage to this. So much fun. Just seized right in. So I completely spaced getting the video camera going while I was putting this back together, but the jug has been bored out 10 thousandths. Got a new piston in. Coated it with put two-stroke oil around everything in there. And you can already hear, I don't have the gas tank or nothing on, but you can already hear it and feel that it's got compression again. So that's a good thing. So we'll let it sit there for a little bit and until I can get it antifreeze. I forgot that. So I must have done it right because it runs.